Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Unfi video update for Friday 12th of August. We're looking at Unfi right now, a coin that really loves to make movements and loves to move a lot here and there, and we started to make this some sort of a rounded bottom right there, and they start to move to the upside. So what I'm going to do is remove all the drawings right here, and let's talk about the coin itself. So one thing is very clear right now is that I'm going to bring in a curve again, because nowadays a lot of these coins are just making curves. So from there to there we're looking for something like that. Okay, so that really makes it a perfect curve, doesn't it? So somewhere near here, and then we do have a little bit of resistance that is broken out of. So that's the resistance that you actually broke out of at the moment. But did you come down for the retest? You probably came down for the retest, and the technical target for this one might have already been met. So from there to there we're looking for a move to the upside, which was up here. So you actually did made it, right? You actually did go to the target, came down, and now you're moving sideways. So the question is, what's gonna happen next? Now we do have this little bit of a break right here, and you're trying to break out of this level now. That's the key level that you're trying to break out of. On the right side of your screen you do have nearly 17 hours to actually close the daily candlestick. Okay, what you want to see is that probably you are going to hold this level or lose this level, and you do have the second support line, which is down here at the $9.2 at the moment. So you do come down to $9.2. If you lose this trend line and come down here, you might actually bounce off here and then try to move up back again. Now weekend is coming in, this candle hasn't closed, and you might end up just closing below that trend line and close at 9.9. If you do close at 9.9, it's probably going to drop a little bit lower to the 8.9 as well, and that's where you might find support, or who knows, come down again, make a double bottom here and start to move to the upside. Okay, you come down, make a W like this was your bottom here, and then the second bottom there, come up and break it out and start to move to the $14 region. So it is what it is right now. It's all about holding this trend line. This is what you want to pay attention today. So I'm not in any trade. I wouldn't even trade it right now unless there's a confirmation candle or something like that. So that's pretty much it at the moment. And the next technical target, if you do hold this line, then you're looking for a nice, good, beautiful move to the upside, and that's going to take you to a technical target. From there to there, that's going to be nearly $14.59. So you're looking for $14.59. Everything plays out perfectly, and that's going to be a price appreciation of nearly 37% move to the upside. And that's it for today's update on Unfi. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Adam Coins, and you are going to go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49. Okay, if you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.